हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेज। आज हम प्लस टू के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें प्लस टू में मैट्रिसेस चैप्टर 3 इन द लास्ट lectures 1, 2 and 3 we have done definitions and introductions and the general form, everything in the matrices and the types of matrices also in the last lecture. So today operation started, operations on the matrices. Now operations as in the natural numbers, operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Here addition and multiplications on the two matrices. Okay, now we have to discuss about the operations today. Now in that, first addition. Now addition of two matrices, how can add two matrices? Understand, sum of the two matrices is a matrices of the same order. It means we may add the same order matrices only. सबसे फर्स्ट पॉइंट टू अंडरस्टैंड, समझने के लिए सबसे पहला पॉइंट, एडिशन जनरल नहीं है कि एक 2/3 की और एक 3/1 की है, ऐड कर दोगे. No, we can't add. Only same order matrices can be add. First point, remember in your mind. Okay, so definition we should write that addition. And how can add? Corresponding element only adding sum of the corresponding element. फर्स्ट A11 एंड सेकेंड वन का A11, A12 सेकेंड का A12, ऐड एंड सम. इफ वन इज नेगेटिव अदर इज पॉजिटिव, सम ऑफ दैट यू नो एज द इंटीजर्स. सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स, इफ वन इज पॉजिटिव अदर इज नेगेटिव, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग? Subtracting. You know in the integers. So algebraic sum, okay, you can take of the corresponding elements. So understood how can do? Now write the definition also. Addition. Okay, addition. Addition. Okay, by the definition what I told you, you can write only two matrices, two or three matrices of same order. Only two or more than two matrices or more than two matrices of same order Understood? Same order? Yes, same order Mn. ठीक है? By only two or more than two matrices of same order Mn, by taking the corresponding element sum, by taking the algebraic sum. Algebraic sum of algebraic sum of corresponding elements. Corresponding element. Okay. For example, let A is equal to 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, minus 3. This is order of this matrix, 2 row, 3 column. So 2 by 3. Let this A, okay, and let B equal any other matrix, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 2, 1. This is also 1, 2 row and 3 column. Same order, 2 by 3. We can add. So, A plus B will be equal to the matrix of the same order by taking the corresponding elements sum, algebraic sum. So corresponding element A matrix A11 to B matrix B11 minus 1, 2 and minus 1 algebraic sum. So 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 corresponding element minus 3, okay, A12 B12, okay, in B matrix. Then minus 1 and minus 3 algebraic sum minus 4. After that A13 and B13, 3 and 4 algebraic sum 7. After that A21 4, B21 5, 4 plus 5 9. After that A22 B22 5 and minus 2 algebraic sum 3. After that A23 B23 corresponding element, then minus 3 and plus 1 minus 2. Done. Okay, so like this sum of the two matrices, very simple algebraic sum of the corresponding element. Okay, ठीक है, you can do. Now after this addition, multiplication and then property. Okay, now property. Scalar number multiply of a matrix with scalar, multiply multiply a matrix by scalar. Multiply a matrix by scalar. Scalar means any number, okay, constant, any number, any constant scalar. So multiply this. What is this here? Now example, by example you can understand. If A equal any matrices 2, -3, 1, 5, 2, -4. This is 3 row here and 2 column. Maybe any order, okay, rectangular matrix. So now, so if you want 3A, so 3 into A will be equal 3 multiply this A, 2 -3, 1, 5, 2, -4. This will be equal 3 multiplied to each element here. Okay, this is the multiplication by a scalar to the any matrix. Multiply by this scalar in each element of a matrix. Now 2 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, simple multiplication. 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. This is the 3 into A matrix. This is also same order, 3 into 2. Okay, so multiplication by scalar quantity, scalar number to the any matrix. Okay, this done with example. After that, addition, subtraction, clear that. Addition of 3, 2, no problem. ठीक है, you can do. Anyone, property, commutative law, also remark property of addition we can write. Property of addition. Property of addition. What is property? Number 1, if A plus B plus C, then this is equal to, you can take A plus B first and then plus C. Okay? Or second, okay, if you want to write A plus B, that will be equal to B plus A. The addition commutative. Okay, addition is commutative. Clear? A plus B कर रहे या B plus A कर रहे हो, कोई सी एडिशन किसी में कर रहे, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट सम निकालना है, इजी होगा. ठीक है, तो commutative. This property is called commutative. Done. After that, if you want to take lambda into A plus B, lambda into A plus B, so A plus B done and then make multiply by lambda, so it will be lambda A plus lambda B. Lambda is any scalar quantity. Lambda is any scalar. So multiply with both scalar. So simple things are there in the addition. Okay, we can do that. Okay. Now after that, multiplication of the two matrices. This is important. Multiplication in multiplication, remember which two matrices can we multiply. Understand this concept first. Every matrix can't be multiplied with every matrix. As in the addition also, every matrix can't be addition with another any matrix. No special fixed rule was there in the addition. What? Same order matrices can be done. So here in the multiplication, what is the rule of multiplication? First, number of column of the first. Number of column of the first must be equal to number of row of the second. Understand again. Number of column of the first matrix must be equal to the number of row of the second. Then both can be multiplied. Okay? So means matrix A and matrix B can be multiplied if number of column of the A is equal to number of row of the B. Only this one rule. Okay? How can multiply? After that is the rule, method. But which can we multiply? First that definition. So multiplication definition. We have to write only multiplication multiplication only multiplication of two such matrix two such matrices in which number of column of the first is equal number of row rows in second matrix. Understand this thing. Only multiplication of two such matrices in which number of column of first is equal number of rows in second matrix, यहाँ सेंटेंस ध्यान दे, कॉमा, in which, okay, this exist, multiplication of exist, multiplication of two such matrices exist, otherwise not. How can multiply after that? So by example, if A equal, matrix A equal 2, 3, 4, -1, it is 2 by 2. And B equal 2, -1, 3, 2, 4, -1. It is 2 by 2, it is 2 by 3. Understand? Now here number of column of the first matrix, 2, number of row of the second equal, other no need to see, okay? This row of the first and column of the second no need to see, that may be any, but this must to multiply of two matrices. Okay, number of column of the first must be equal to number of row of the second, then we can multiply, okay? This important thing. Then so we have to say, example, if A be this, then if then A into B exist. First this, if not, if here number of column 2, here number of row 3, if, then we can't multiply. Now second point here, okay, if this example A, this B, and you want BA, if you want BA, so BA, tell me BA exist or no? B फर्स्ट हो जाए, A सेकंड हो जाए, B इंटू A करें, तो ये कॉम्यूटेटिव नहीं है, यहाँ प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव कि A B इक्वल टू B A ऑलवेज, नो, समटाइम A B exist, B A does not exist. See here you can check now what is B A, B first, तो B, what is column 3, and A, what is row 2, these are not equal, so BA does not exist here, BA does not exist. Right here this important thing, B फर्स्ट हो जाए, A सेकंड हो जाए, मल्टीप्लाई हमें करनी है B की A के साथ, तो B फर्स्ट हो गई, तो रूल हमारा फर्स्ट का कॉलम, तो उसका कॉलम कितना है, B का कॉलम है 3, कॉलम कितना है 3, एंड सेकंड का रो कितना है 2, ये इक्वल नहीं है, तो इसलिए इनकी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो सकती, ओके? तो फर्स्ट दिस रूल इम्पोर्टेंट, मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल ऑफ द टू मैट्रिसेस, क्लियर? दोबारा फिर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट याद करो, फर्स्ट का कॉलम सेकंड का रो इक्वल होना चाहिए, फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकंड रो मस्ट बी इक्वल, देन कैन बी मल्टीप्लाई. Okay, now how can multiply? multiplication. How can? Two matrices multiplication. So A matrix, let -1, 2, 3, 4. B equal let -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 2. It is 2 by 2 matrices, 2 row and 2 column. It is 2 row and column 3. Column 3 here. Okay, clear? Order you know? Okay, discussed in the last video. Now, how can multiply? So, A into B matrix, result matrix. How can multiply now? Check. Multiplication exist or not? Definition. Number of column of the first column of the first matrix must be equal to number of row of the second. Yes, exist. Multiplication exist. Now how can find? Now first row multiply corresponding element with the first column. Understand again what is rule? First row with the first column corresponding element multiply and add. Multiply the corresponding element of the first row of the first matrix with the first column of the second matrix and sum, यानी sum of the product. क्या है rule? Sum of the product of the corresponding element of first row with first column. That will be the first element of the product matrix. After that, second element of the product matrix. How can find? First row of the first matrix with the second column corresponding element multiply and take sum, यानी sum of the corresponding element, sum of the product of the sum of the product of the corresponding element of first row with the second column. Similarly, third element of the first row with the third column. Then third element of first row will come. Okay, so multiply with first row with first column. This is column first, understand. This is column first, right? This is column second. This is column third. We know this is R1, row 1. This is R2. Similarly, here we know this is R1, this is R2, this is column 1, this is column 2. Okay, now what is the rule, method to multiply? What? First row corresponding element with the first column and add. So -1 with -1, then 2 with 4, row with column, row with column, always remember. So minus 1, 1, 2 into 4, 8, sum of these corresponding element product. This will be the first element. Now second element of first row, so first row with second column, corresponding element first row with second column. So minus 1 with minus 2, multiply 2, 2 multiply with 5, 2 5 is 10. This is second element. Third element, first row with third column, first row with third column. Now first row corresponding element with third column corresponding element, minus 1 and 3, multiply minus 3 and 2 multiply this 2, 2 2 is 4. Understand this thing. This is the most important to understand. Again I am repeating, दोबारा बता रहा हूँ मैं, क्या है, पहली मैट्रिक्स की रो दूसरी मैट्रिक्स के कॉलम से कोरस्पोंडिंग एलिमेंट मल्टीप्लाई करके उनको ऐड करना है. कोरस्पोंडिंग मल्टीप्लाई एलिमेंट एंड फाइंड सम ऑफ ऑल corresponding element of first row with first column. This done here. First row with first column, पहला element. First row with second column, दूसरा element. First row with third column, तीसरा element. Now first row is completed. Now second row similarly we have to do. So second row is 3 4 with first column minus 1 4 corresponding element and add, then 3 into minus 1 minus 3, then 4 into 4 corresponding element, 4 into 4 16 and add. Now first row with second column, second row चल रही, second row with second column. यहाँ क्या किया हमने, second row with first column, 3 1 जा 3 minus 3 and 4 4 जा 16. Now second row with second column, now 3 2 जा 6 minus 6 and 4 into 5, 4 5 जा 20. This is second element. Third element with third column, तो second row with third column corresponding, तो 3 3 जा 9 and 4 into 2 second row with third column, 4 2 जा 8, 9 plus 8. This now it is completed. Row second completed. आगे यहाँ रो नहीं रही, इसको देखना है बस. रो 2 थी, कंप्लीट हो गया प्रोडक्ट, डन. तो यू विल चेक आउटपुट जो आया आपका, रिजल्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू मैट्रिक्स इज ए मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द रिमेनिंग रो ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड कॉलम ऑफ द सेकेंड. Understand what equal, cancel out. The product order will be equal always row of the first and column of the second remaining result of the product of two matrices. Okay, so यहाँ order 2/3 done. So now equal, simplify, 1 plus 8 9, 2 plus 10 12, minus 3 plus 4, 1, algebraic sum, minus 3 plus 16, 13, simple, minus 6 plus 20, 14, 9 plus 8, 17. This is 2 by 3 order. Answer. This is the answer. A into B. Now, understood? Now, if BA, for the same A and B matrix, if you want BA, is it possible? Check BA exists or not by definition. तो B कॉलम, अब क्या देखना फर्स्ट का? कॉलम देखना होता है. कॉलम ऑफ द फर्स्ट मस्ट बी इक्वल टू द रो ऑफ द सेकेंड, देन वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई. तो कॉलम ऑफ द B 3, कॉलम ऑफ द B here 3 and row of the A 2, then 3 is not equal to 2, so we can't multiply B with A. So BA does not exist. Here BA does not exist. Why? Doesn't exist. Why? Why? Because number of column, दोबारा लिख रहा हूँ मैं, not equal number of column of B, है ना, फर्स्ट इज B, not equal number of row of A. यहाँ कॉलम 3 है और ये रो 2 है. 3 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2. सो दिस डेफिनीशन हमारी ये है कि तभी दो मैट्रिक्स एग्जिस्ट हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एग्जिस्ट है, अगर उनमें पहली मैट्रिक्स का कॉलम और दूसरी मैट्रिक्स के रो इक्वल हैं, तभी वो मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज हम नहीं कर सकते. तो हमेशा अगर कहीं पर ए बी एग्जिस्ट है तो बी ए ज़रूरी नहीं एग्जिस्ट हो जाए, मे और मे नॉट बी. सो हेयर यू सी इन दिस एग्जांपल ए बी एग्जिस्ट है, प्रोडक्ट निकल गई, और बी ए एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं है, क्योंकि एग्जिस्टेंस इज द मस्ट बिफोर द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, आई थिंक नाउ you understood this. Okay, after that exercise we have to do in the next video. Okay, take interest, watch, share, like and subscribe the channel to get the next notification, next videos automatically with you, and enjoy and take knowledge from the videos and share to maximum contact, जिससे कि वो अपने बच्चों को और को सबको भेज सकें. तो मेरा आप सबसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम शेयर करें, जिससे कि वो सभी बच्चों पर पहुँचे. मैं सोचता हूँ जिनको ट्यूशन में कहीं इधर उधर जाने के लिए आर्थिक प्रॉब्लम है, इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम है, और कहीं दूर दराज पर हैं, नहीं पहुँच सकते, या कोई और प्रॉब्लम्स है, या उनके समझ में कहीं क्लास में नहीं आ रहा है, तो वो वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें. मैं सोचता हूँ कि उन सब के पास ये वीडियो पहुँचे मेरी, और मैं NCERT का सिलेबस कम्प्लीटली कर रहा हूँ, 10th, 11th एंड 12th, ऑल 3 क्लासेज, 1 by 1 alternate day I am sending the videos. You can see, you can take interest and subscribe the channel and write the comment in comment box definitely. Okay, thank you.